Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make a very special rice. This is chicken mandi rice and cooked in a pressure cooker. This is super easy recipe, so let's see how to make it. I'm using basmati rice for this recipe and whole chicken with skin cut into 2 pieces and some whole garam masalas. Now heat some oil in a pressure cooker, add in the whole masalas and 1 onion sliced. Saute it until it becomes translucent. Now add in ginger and garlic paste, saute it for a while. Now add in 3 cups of water, add some salt, give it a mix and add the whole chicken into the pressure cooker. Now close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now into another pan add some oil and fry the rice. Here I have taken 4 cups of basmati rice, washed and soaked it for 2 minutes and drain all the excess water. Fry it for around 2 minutes and keep it aside. Now let's check with the chicken. Our chicken has cooked perfectly. Now take it out from the pressure cooker. Now you have to measure the water in the cooker. So we added around 3 cups of water, plus we got 1 cup extra from the chicken. So this is around 4 cups of water inside. We need to add more water to cook the rice. So here I have added around 3.5 cups of water. So I'm adding 7.5 cup of water for 4 cups of rice. Now into that add in tomato puree, green chilli and salt. Give it a mix and allow it to boil. Now add in the roasted rice. Mix it nicely, check the salt and close the lid. Now you have to cook for 1 whistle and just before the second whistle comes, turn off the flame. Now let's make a masala for the chicken. Into some butter add in red chilli powder, garam masala and some salt and mix it nicely. Now apply this butter paste onto the chicken and massage it very well. Add some oil into a pan and just shallow fry this chicken pieces. This is an already cooked chicken. We just need the chicken to get slightly roasted. Our chicken is ready. Let's check the rice. Wow, our rice is also perfectly cooked. Just mix it using a fork. Now I'm taking the rice and chicken into a bigger pan. So I added rice and placed the chicken on top of it. You can pour the excess butter and oil on top of the chicken for more flavor. Now place a small bowl and add a charcoal piece and cover the pan. Let all the fumes from the charcoal get infused into the chicken and rice for the real flavor of mandi. This is the most important step in this recipe and don't try to skip it. After 5 minutes, open the pan, take out the charcoal piece. And now our chicken mandi is ready. This is one of my favorite recipe and even my family love this. You can check the chicken, it has perfectly cooked and we have cooked the rice in the chicken stock. So the rice, the chicken and with the charcoal fumes, it's really flavorful. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.